Hi, my name is Ben Tensei. I work for Central Consolidated Schools. It is located in the northwest part of New Mexico. And we have instituted BFS, Bigger, Faster, Stronger program for these. This is going on our third year. We've seen a lot of improvements. The first time we came in contact with BFS was through one of our football coaches that used to work at one of our area high schools as a football coach. And that specific high school was using BFS, and so we came about, we talked about it. We had John come over and help us out and did a presentation for our coaches and got them certified. I believe we had about 12 coaches at the time. Yeah, I also attended that presentation, and we felt like that was the right move for our district. Our district encompasses over 3,000 square miles. We have 3 high schools and 3 middle schools. And 8 elementary schools, and so that's how our BFS started. We put in new weight rooms through BFS. They came in and did the design for us, did a great job of putting all the weights together. John himself personally and a couple of his partners came in to help put our weights together. We put new flooring, everything you can think of, and we've been fortunate to have him come in and inspect it for us to make sure things are working good. He's always been available to help us as we needed him, and just making sure that our students are getting the maximum possibility on becoming better, both in athletics and also academics. It helps us motivate students. It also has increased our successes in the athletic field, which we've had multiple state championships just as recent as 2017. We've had girls basketball state championships, wrestling state championships, multiple state appearances from every sport that we have, from cross country all the way down to softball, spring sports. And so I would like to say that BFS has been a huge part of our success in our athletic field. It also has improved our students in academics, just because of the fact that it gets them ready for the day. They're coming to work out in the mornings. Even in the summertime, they're doing their workouts through certified coaches and trainers. And so we're fortunate to have BFS. I don't think I could ask for any more from BFS, and we will continue to use BFS in our district. Thank you.